for the Vanguards, and he looks to continue that here in the finals. The native of Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte, wearing jersey number 9, Neki Rifarial.
Fast break, 2-on-1. Pass to Francis Camacho, in and out. But Neki Rifarial lang sa kanila dito. As JK Casino brings the ball out. Shot clock, game clock difference of 12 seconds. But Neki Rifarial with a 3-ball.
Again.
After hitting a 3 to end the second quarter, hits a 2-pointer. And Neki Rifarial isa pa to na bumanat in that last few minutes of that second quarter. Ngayon, dalawang tres na siya.
Bombahan. Pinyas against Rifarial.
5 rebounds and 8 assists.
Malapit na siyang mag-double-double. Last game nga, 22 points, 10 assists. At ngayon, pwede yung opposite side or yung help defense.
Rifarial is open. Pasok yan para sa kanya. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Casino Alcohol.
Rifarial pumps the ball. And